Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to speed up your device. So first of all, let's enter the security, and as you can see here, we've got actually 3 options to choose from. Of course, you can do all of them. So we've got the cleaner, the boost speed, and deep clean. So let's begin with the cleaner. So simply tap on it. Now let's wait, because your device is counting how much trash it can be removed. So let's tap on clean up. As you can see, it just cleaned your device. Now we can get back. Here we can tap on boost speed, so let's wait again, because your device is counting the cache. Let's tap on boost speed after it. And as you can see, it also has been cleared. Let's get back. Let's tap on OK. And let's tap on deep clean. And as you can see here, we've got all things which we can remove actually. For example, duplicated photos, as you can see, some apps which are not in use for a very long time, or videos. So if you want to, you can, for example, clean the photos. So tap on clean now, and here we've got the duplicated photos. They are immediately marked, so you can tap on delete only, tap on OK. And as you can see, they has been cleaned successfully. Of course, the same situation will be with the apps and the delete videos. So actually, that's all. This is how to clean your Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.